Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to format text in your Facebook Messenger. Now let's begin. As you can see, I've already logged into my Facebook account. If you have not, do log in right now. Now what I want to do is simply go to the web version of Messenger. Right here, on the left hand side of the screen, you will find something like Messenger. In case you do not find it, simply hit on the See More button right here and scroll down till you find Messenger. Let's hit the Messenger button right here. Once you click on Messenger, you will then be redirected to a page like this, that is Chats. Now right now, we want to look at how to format text. Initially, whenever you're sending a message to your friend, it's gonna send something like this. Focus on the font right here. Now we're gonna look at how to bold your text, italicize, change the font, and also look at how to strike through your text. Now follow me step by step. Now for how to make your message bold, simply do what I am doing. Initially start with an asterisk, then from here you can enter any text you wish. And after you have entered your text, again close it by an asterisk. Once you've done it, simply hit on send. As you can see, the text is now bold. Now let's try for italics. The process is same, but we replace asterisk by underscore. I have typed it right here. Now simply I'm gonna send it. There you see, it's in italics. Now let's look at how to change the font. Simply follow me step by step. Now here's what I did. Initially I placed this comma-like icon right here, entered my text and again closed it with the same icon. Now I'm gonna click on send. There you see, the font is changed. Now for the strike through, simply begin with the curly line, enter your text and again close it with the same icon. Once it's done, click on send. Well guys, that's it. That's how you format your text in Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.